good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing another pair of Air Force Ones. I know you guys probably have never seen this shoe before. It's really rare and it's hard to find. But today we are going to be doing a custom Air Force One custom. Anyways, I'm gonna be laying some fabric onto this shoe and attaching some patches. Stay tuned, sit back, stay tuned, get ready for the video. And did I mention to stay tuned? Let's just get straight into it. Starting with the laces, of course, we are gonna cut these laces off. We're gonna be adding some rope laces, so that's the only reason why I get to cut these laces. Otherwise, these laces do not remove. So if you don't want to put no rope laces in, you need to keep these laces on, especially with these Easy-Ons. All right, y'all, got those laces removed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some acetone. Now I am just adding some fabric. In this case, I am gonna be laying fabric here and on the toe box. And I actually just forgot, before I actually do that, I am gonna remove this Velcro strip right here using a thread cutter, like this. And just removing these threads here to remove the patch. All right, we got the laces off, we got the patch off. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our acetone and acetone every single place that we are going to lay the fabric. Now this part is not, you don't need to do it. I just like to do it with my customs because I feel like my glue sticks on and adheres to the shoe so much better than leaving that clear factory finisher that they put on the shoe. Again, 100% optional. You don't have to do this, but you can do it if you'd like. In my case, I am going to do that. Let's get it. Now that we got that part done, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our tape. We are going to tape off the panels of the shoe that we want our fabric on. So again, my case, toe box, the sides, and the inside. Now that I got that the tape put on the shoe, now I'm gonna just go in with my pen and outline each of the creases around the shoe. Now that we got our stencils all made, now we are just gonna go ahead and take, is this focused? Now we are just gonna go ahead and take the tape off and place it on our fabric. We're gonna put the tape wherever we want the fabric to be onto the shoe. So I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna place it here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my scissors and cut my stencil out. Now that we got our fabric cut out using that stencil, we're gonna take our glue and glue it onto the shoe. You guys, I totally forgot to show you guys that I attached the patches to the tongue. All I did was, well, I made my iron-on patch, and if you guys haven't seen the video of me showing you how to do that, make sure to go check that video out. But I attached the patch, not going anywhere. really onto the shoe. And now all we have to do is put on our laces, and then we're also going to spray on some fabric spray. So I get a lot of comments asking how do I protect the fabric, and that's just using a simple fabric protectant spray. So I'll make a couple sprays of that onto the fabric. Other than that, let's put the laces on and let's see the final product. And just like that, we got the finished product. We got the laces in there. We got the iron-on patch. We got the fabric on the shoe. Let me know what you guys think of this Bratz custom. Super, super cute. Never did Bratz before, anything themed, really. So let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and share with your family. As always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. This shit that you just put out, you could've kept.